Time for your practice test. Here we go.
All right, hey class, this is your 4th grade Numbers and Operations Base 10 Standards 1 through 3 practice test, comparing, ordering, and rounding numbers. So anyway, please remember you can pause if you need. I have it mostly filled out so you can just look through it and check your work, but I will just do a quick explanation of things. So write the place value names, that's the song, ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, comma, millions. Let's take it to the right of the decimal point. We've got tenths, hundredths, and then we know thousands is over there. All right, for the next 2 problems, use this number. This is hoping that you remember that when you have 2 digits next to each other, the one on the left is 10 times more than the one on the right. If it's 2 spots away like this, 10 times more, 10 times 10 is 100 times more. So 2 spots away is 100 times more. So how many times more is the value of the 2 than the 2 in the 10,000s place? And here's what you can write. Or you could write that 200,000 is 10 times more than 20,000. That would be an accurate answer as well. Same for this. The 4 in the hundreds place is 100 times more than the 4 in the ones place, or 400 is 100 times more than 4. All right, standard form. We did that in class. Word form. Please remember, when you read the number, you write what you say. So 6, comma word, million. What's the next number? The next number is 14. So you would write 6 million, 14, comma word, 1,000. And then the last number, 509. Be careful not to accidentally write a number when you're doing word form. All right, expanded form, we blow up and write the value of every number. So we have 6 million plus 10,000 plus 4,000 plus 500 plus 9. You don't need to write the zeros. All right, there's nothing in the 100,000s, and there is something here, so this is less than this. The 2 is greater than the 1 million. And I use the millions place to compare. Flipping over. Pay attention, least, 2, greatest. And so we write little notes like small to remember. You can use strategies like looking at the biggest value. They're all 2. So we look to the next one. We have a 3, a 3, a 4, and a 4. Okay, so it's between these 2. And I use the hundreds place to find that that's the least. And then we go on from there. So I know that's the second. And now I'm comparing these 2. So I'm looking at the thousands place is a 9 and a 3. So now I just identified my last ones and I need to write them. All right, place. We write place in all caps. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands, 10,000s place. Value is how much it's worth. Cha-ching, it's a number. Yes, it's in the 10,000 spot, but this 4 is not worth 10,000. The 4 is worth 40,000 because it's in a 10,000 spot. Anything in the 10 spot is worth either 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, or 90. So this is 40, and it's in the thousands period or section. So 40,000. Another trick with that is just writing the 4 and turning everything else to zeros, and a 4 in that place will read 40,000 as well. All right, ready? Round to the 10,000s. So remember the process. Underline the 10,000s place, cutting it off there. Look next door. Is it closer to a 3 or is it going to go to a 4? Because of the 6, it's going to a 4. So 4, 4, and everything else is zeros. Round to the hundreds place. Here we go. Cutting it off there. So this is going to be zeros. Look next door. Is it going to stay a 6 or go up to a 700? And it's going to stay a 6. So I write everything to the left. It's going to stay a 6, and the rest turns zeros. All right, round to the whole number. The whole number is the ones place. So we're underlining this, cutting it there. Is it going to stay an 8 or go to a 9? Because of the 2, it stays an 8. And you can put 0.00 or just leave it alone. round to the tenths place in the decimals, not the tens, tenths. Cutting it here, look next door. Is it going to stay at 2 or turn into a 3? It's going to turn into a 3. That was 37.3. Oh, and by the way, the word is bubble gum. Bubble gum. Bubble gum. All right, nice job. If you have questions, let me know right away.